Welcome to our full guide on how to copy your profile link on Snapchat. Easily share your profile link with friends and followers by following these simple steps. 1. Begin by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your profile. 2. Tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen to navigate to your profile settings. 3. Next, locate and tap the share icon at the top right of the screen to initiate the sharing options. 4. To copy your profile link, tap on Copy, located at the bottom left of the screen. Your profile link is now copied to your device's clipboard. By following these steps, you can effortlessly copy your Snapchat profile link and share it with others through various platforms. Thank you for watching this guide on how to copy your profile link on Snapchat. Enhance your connectivity and make it easier for friends to find and add you on Snapchat by copying and sharing your profile link. Enjoy expanding your Snapchat network and engaging with others through seamless sharing of your profile link.